Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, let us learn how to make ragi dosa. For making this healthy dosa, you need the following ingredients. We need 1 cup of ragi flour, 1/3 cup of urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 2 tablespoons of cooked rice or soaked poha. Batter should be prepared at night for next day breakfast. For batter, add 1/3 cup of urad dal into bowl, add in some water along with methi seeds. Into another bowl, add 1 cup ragi flour and add 1 cup water, mix well and keep aside for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of soaking, wash urad dal and methi seeds well and transfer it into a blender jar. Now add 1/3 cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of rice or soaked poha. Grind this into a fine batter. Then add ragi mix and pulse couple of times so that they both mix well. Pour the blended batter to bowl. Cover and keep it to fermentation overnight. The next day morning, batter is nicely fermented. Batter is light, fluffy and airy, and it's perfect to make idli or dosa. To make dosa, add little amount of water as needed and add a bit of salt. Heat a non-stick tawa or cast iron tawa and grease it well with oil, or you can use ghee. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Pour in 1 cup of batter and spread it as thin as possible. Drizzle in half teaspoon of ghee or oil. Flip it over once it is done on one side. That's it. A crispy, healthy ragi dosa is ready to serve. Enjoy it with a good chutney. The leftover batter can be used to make idli, but do not add water to the batter this time. So guys, try this dosa and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching.